Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be talking to you about contact therapy. Now I would imagine that a large portion of you have never heard of contact therapy, and it is an incredible way of introducing prescription strength products, active products into your skincare routine without side effects. So let's make a start. Now contact therapy really is about picking an ingredient. So for this video, we're going to be talking about tretinoin. And that ingredient is an incredible ingredient. Pigmentation, acne, wrinkles, skin firmness, collagen. It's such an incredible ingredient, but it's also a very strong ingredient. And it can cause problems on the skin. Skin can become dry, it can become red. It is a very strong ingredient. And when we jump in, kind of feet first, we can experience side effects like I just mentioned. And there's a way around that. And there's also a lot of people think that they can't use those kind of ingredients because they've tried them in the past. And like I mentioned, there's side effects. But by using contact therapy, you're able to use those kind of ingredients without any issues. In essence, contact therapy really is about applying an ingredient to your skin and leaving it on for a very short period of time. So here's an example. You would use tretinoin and you would apply it to the skin and you would leave it on the skin for 5 minutes. Then you would rinse it off. Then you would go about your day. It is that simple. And what you're doing is just gradually increasing the time as you go on. Now, the best thing about this principle, this contact therapy, is that because it's on the skin for a very short period of time, chances of side effects are very slim and very low. And that's the beauty of it. We're adding in these ingredients, but we're doing it in a controlled manner. And then we're rinsing it off and we're going about our day. And it's that simplicity of it. And there is a large amount of evidence that contact therapy works incredibly well, because not only does it build up your tolerance for a product, a strong ingredient, but even in short periods of time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, the benefits are immense. Now this section of the video is sponsored by Dermatica. Thank you very much. Now, as you all know, Dermatica has been and is a product that I continue to use. It is a prescription strength product that gives you incredible results that you cannot get from over-the-counter products, because it's a prescription strength product that's delivered to your door every month. It is a beautiful product and probably the most important product in my skincare routine. Now, you've all heard me talk about Dermatica before, so I'll keep it short and very sweet. Dermatica deals with a whole host of issues that you may have on your face, and they have a beautiful system where they will guide you through how to use their products. And for this video, I'm going to show you how I would use Dermatica for contact therapy, so you can build up your tolerance level just like that, with no side effects. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with a clean face, and then you're going to pump the recommended amount onto your finger and you're going to apply it to the face. Rub it in gently until every area of the skin is basically covered. And then you're just going to set your watch and think about how long you want to leave it on for. If you have very sensitive skin, or you've tried products in the past that have active ingredients, then start on, say, 5 minutes and then just rinse it off. And the goal here is to increase the amount of time the ingredients are on the skin. That's it. Your skin is your guide. As you go along, you will notice how long you can leave this product on for. And within a few months, you are up to using it for hours and hours and hours a day. And there's no problems with your skin. And that is how you get into this incredible routine. And a good kind of indication of contact therapy is, I did it myself very recently. When I did a series of peels, I had to stop my skincare routine, because you don't really want to have, you don't really want that kind of actives on the skin while you're doing kind of deeper peels. And I use contact therapy to introduce myself back again into active ingredients like Dermatica, because I knew that applying it straight away, I was probably going to run into some dryness and things like that, and I didn't want that. So I used contact therapy, popped it on my skin, and in the course of 6 weeks, I was back to using it without any side effects whatsoever. Now, it's worth noting, of course, as well, that with contact therapy, you are leaving it on and rinsing it off, but you still don't want to use incredibly active ingredients after that. So a good example would be if you're going to use this at night, so contact therapy at night, after you have rinsed it off, apply a moisturizer to the skin, a beautiful moisturizer, but don't overdo it with actives. You don't then want to go in with a whole host of other products that are potentially stimulating to the skin. You just want to avoid that. And that is contact therapy. It is a very, very simple routine, but one that you can get the most incredible benefits from, because using a prescription strength product gives you incredible results. And by doing it this way, you're minimizing any dryness or skin redness or anything that can happen when we're using stronger products, and just keeping it on the skin for a little bit. There is so many benefits to this, and before you know it, you're using it every single night and you have no side effects, no issues, just gorgeous, radiant skin. Now, please, of course, check out Dermatica. They're incredible. They really are. I would not have been using this product for this length of time if they weren't incredible. It is a staple every single night in my skincare routine. And my goal for skincare, my goal is not to look younger. It's not to have no wrinkles. It is to have skin that looks healthy, that is glowing, that is even toned. Those things to me are far more important than wrinkles. I just want skin that looks healthy and vibrant and bright and glowing. That's it. That's my goal. And Dermatica helps me get there because it's just a wonderful product. All the information, of course, is in the description bar. And please check them out. And I hope you like this video. I hope you found it interesting. Contact therapy is an excellent way of really going about using active ingredients in your skincare routine. Sorry about that, just knocked over my moisturizer. But it's a great way of going about using great products with minimal to no side effects. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.